What's up, everyone? I thought it'd be fun to kind of give you an update of what's going on with the print studio, where I'm at, what I want to do, and stuff like that. So first off, I've been messing around with the Bambu Lab A1. It's been a great machine. Honestly, picture the P1P and the X1C had a baby. It's not as smart as them, but it's a good baby. You have the Bambu Lab A1. It's a bed slinger. But it performs like what you would expect from Bambu Lab. I'm loving it. I think that it's definitely going to be a great addition to the print farm here, and I'm excited to see what updates they come out with for it. Another cool thing, the X1C recently got an update to where it has noise cancellation now for the motors. Major difference. Like, this thing's way quieter than it used to be. And it wasn't too bad anyways, but it's just nice to see that that's something that's available now, and there's rumors. I don't think it's rumors. I think Bambu Lab actually said that they're actually doing it for the P series too. So that'll be nice. So let's see what we've got printing. So I'm currently printing a Game of Thrones throne on this one and on the K1. So that's the P1P and the K1. And then I've got the frame parts printing on the X1C. This is for the dummy 13 model. I actually printed off all the armor parts for that on the A1 yesterday. And if you want to see some of the quality, I mean, they're spot on parts, guys. Like the A1 really is a great machine. I'm dealing with a little bit of stringing, especially with Bambu Lab filament, surprisingly. But I think it had something to do with the fact that I forgot to remove these little strips here that it prints, like the test strips for the flow calibration. For instance, this is the model that's printing over on those two machines right now, but you can see it's got some pretty bad stringing. I tried to kill it with a heat gun, but it just honestly made it bulge up and not look too hot. So yeah. Gonna try to print it again now that I've remembered to clear this off to see if the flow calibration will be a little better and it will be resolved. If we go down the hallway here into the room I do all my screen printing in, by the way, I really want to start doing some screen printing content on the channel. I'm really interested to know if you guys are just solely interested in 3D printing or just making things in general, manufacturing. I do a lot of wood burning. I do a lot of screen printing and 3D printing. So let me know what you guys are into. I would love to make some other types of videos if you think you'd like it. But we step out here through this door. I've got some of these painted. I'm just using some Rust-Oleum paint here. They turn out really good. Those have been super hot on the Etsy store this holiday season. So yeah, that's what's going on. Still 3D printing a ton. I think this is probably one of the most successful months I've had on Etsy. And it's all been through 3D printing, no screen printing. So I'd like to do more t-shirt designs and stuff like that. I may reach out to some YouTubers and see if they just want some like free merch or something. If I could help their community and 3D and screen print some and maybe get some orders in the future from them, that would be dope. So maybe that's something that I can look into. 2024 is definitely going to be the year where I kind of double down on all the stuff I know how to do that's unique like this and capitalize on it. For instance, one of the next things I'm going to be making is some keychains for the Etsy store. You know, just something that's kind of low cost that you can buy for a gift for someone that's kind of unique. Whether that be like a YouTube logo or something with like a little keychain, or you know, if you're a fan of Bonnaroo, like a Bonnaroo keychain, you know, just little things like that. So if you guys have any ideas, make sure to drop them down below, and maybe, you know, I'll pick it and make it as a keychain and, you know, sell it on the Etsy store. Lastly, there's going to be some remodeling in this room, make it a little bit more functional. I'll probably do a whole separate video on that. But yeah, the print farm's going well. Keeping the printers going pretty much non-stop. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated with what's going on. If you're interested, you can watch these videos. Thanks so much for checking them out, by the way. I'll see you next time.